Bio ni is very important for gut health. So kita bila cakap pasal gut health ni kan, kita selalu kurang appreciate dia punya importance. Okay, sebab gut health ni important for the overall body punya health. Okay, our gut ni control our mental health, controls our the inflammation, controls our immunity, and helps with digestion. So banyak processes yang happens dalam gut health ni, our gut ni actually influence all other processes. So it is very important kita jaga kita punya gut. And important kenapa kita punya gut ni ada dia punya flora, which is all the good bacteria yang dapat membantu with all the other processes lah, all the especially the mental health, inflammation, immunity. So kalau bila kita jaga our good bacteria, bila kita jaga our environment in the gut, it helps to improve our overall health. So with the next bio, kita ada 3 active ingredient ni, prebiotics, probiotics dengan postbiotics. All these next generation 3 biotics ni work together hand in hand and helps to improve the gut health, improve the gut environment, and therefore you have overall good health. So that's why kita mesti jaga kita punya gut health, sebab kita ni exposed to pollution, our environment, kita punya eating habits especially. Kita banyak makan processed food, banyak sugar food kan. So all this actually will do harm to our gut in the long run. So kita kena jaga kita punya gut health so that when as we age older, we age gracefully.
So apa rasa, apa dia punya taste?
Oh, rasanya rasa macam susu lah. A bit of yogurt taste, because it's macam it's a mix of a few ingredients lah, which is good for the microbes in the gut. So rasanya memang very very creamy, macam very milky tu, macam it's very nice. Yes.
Okay, thank you.